Hello, welcome to Akadsak. My name is Teacher Anna. I like reading, singing, and traveling. Teaching is my passion. I teach basic, intermediate, business, and casual English. I can help students improve their English skills. Learning a new words opens up a world of opportunities. It can enhance your travels, boost your career, and connect you with other people. So, what are you waiting for? See you in my class. Goodbye.